This is another one of my builds. This is the Avalon from the movie Passengers. Very interesting build it was. Trying to get those curved wings was a really difficult chore. And anyway, this is an ion drive. And so that's basically what it looks like from paper. Anyway, so if you want to build something, all you have to do is start. That's the cool part. If you go to my tutorials on YouTube, The Paper Engineer, you can see how to do a lot of very cool things. Like this is just an 1/8 inch dowel that I used. These are toothpicks that hold that wheel on. These are just molded toilet paper and Elmer's glue. And I sanded them all down to make them look smooth. This here, 1/4 inch dowel. And then it's all paper accent on everything. Howdy Paper Army, as you, most of you know, this is the Avalon. The Avalon was broke. It got knocked off the shelf and it broke. Now I have to repaint the whole thing because my paint touch-up did not work well. But anyway, as you know, everything is made out of paper, or a little bit of wood sometimes, some other things. But it broke right here. This broke. And I repaired it. It's now all back together, and the Avalon is in one piece again. So I thought you all should see this, because it's the wonderful things that you can do from recycled paper. Good day, Paper Engineer fans. I will be live today at noon Pacific Standard Time. And for all of you that don't know, this is the Avalon from the movie Passengers. It has been a very interesting build, this has. I enjoyed it a lot. And there is so much cool stuff on it. And I just don't know if you can all see it or not. But anyway, the blades turn on this. And that was the living quarters on the Avalon.